Can we just talk about how Nanny Cammy betrayed me? Tell me about it, bruh. Also, how can you talk without a mouth? I don't have a mouth! See? Hey guys, it's elimination time! We're gonna do the 1 vote. Why do you want to get 1 vote? Because it's part of life. Anyways, this is gonna be a quick elimination. So these guys are safe. And Corrido's eliminated with 1 vote. What? I'm eliminated? This can't be happening. Well, it is. But why? I always wanted that Robux prize. My friends would always support me. But I guess they're against me now. I thought you guys would like me. I guess not. I'm not gonna sign that badge. I'm done with this stupid show anyway. Okay. Now since Toledo's gone, it's time to start the 4th challenge. The next challenge is a cook-off. Whoever gets the lowest scores will be up for elimination. Go! Okay guys, show me what you got. Nanny Cammy, you're the last one. What did you make? I made a germ burger. It's not really made of germs. 0 to 10. 0 to 10. In the comments, we should go